So let's begin with the tutorial. See, here I am writing the letter L. This portion is called the upstroke and this portion is called the downstroke. Now I will write A to Z in calligraphy. So first write how you regularly write it in cursive. And then highlight all the downstrokes. Highlight in the sense make it darker and broader. Now on the next page, by following this particular pin from Pinterest, I will write 2 of these quotes. I will link the pin in the description box if you want to refer to it. The first quote is enjoy moment, not photos. You can make few doodles which will make the quote look better. So over here, as you can see, I am highlighting all of the downstrokes. And now we'll do the second quote. The second quote is let's start the journey. And again I am highlighting all of the downstrokes. And we'll make a few doodles. And it's ready. That is it for this video. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.